friends, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. What I thought I'd do today, I'm really not prepared for any videos because I have been trying to get what Melvin has. I'm fine, don't worry, and he's much better, but also with Hurricane Helene out in the Gulf, anytime you have a system like that, anything can happen. So I've really been watching it. My heart is so heavy for everyone that's going to be in its path. My thoughts and prayers are with them. And I just keep hoping that it will downgrade more. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe not. But we are fine. We're just getting a lot of clouds, a little bit of wind, and a little bit of rain because it's such a large system. So what I thought I would do, you all have wanted DIYs. I'm going to do, I think it's 3 fall DIYs that are so simple, so easy, and very quick to do. And I think they look high end. And everything I have is very inexpensive, all right? So the first thing, I have had this Robert Stanley little, it says a mini charcuterie board for a long time. And I was in there looking and I found it and I was like, oh, okay, well, I could do something with that because I didn't want to leave you all hanging. I hate to do that, all right? And then I went on the graphics fairy. I love it, all right? So to make this project, you're going to need a wood cutting board, or any cutting board, even from the Dollar Tree, will work, all right? And then you're going to need some Mod Podge. I have Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree that is in matte. I suggest the matte. And then I got this beautiful picture from the Graphics Fairy, completely free, and I thought, would this not be a beautiful little DIY for a tiered tray or just to set around anywhere? Now you'll have to overlook, I have my lights on, but like I said, it's very cloudy. And you'll need some cling wrap. I've done stuff like this many times on my channel, but I thought this was just such a beautiful fall picture and very high-end looking. Now don't blink, you'll miss this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some of this matte Mod Podge down here. I don't know how far up I'm going to need to put it, so I'm going to pretty much put it up through here a good bit, okay? And we'll see. You don't need it on the sides. I was a little sloppy, so be careful, but it will dry clear. All right. Then all I'm going to do is get this, put this right down here where I think I want it, okay? And I don't even think you would need this, and I printed my image on watercolor paper. I love to do that. Then I'm just gonna roll this on here with this little roller from the Dollar Tree. Most of this is coming from the Dollar Tree. I use this in Crafty Cards and Journals, my second channel, which is always linked in my description box below. But I love to use this as a brayer. I have a brayer, but I don't know where it is, okay? So that's on there, no wrinkles. Then you can wait and let this dry if you want. I don't think I'm even gonna do that. I'm just going to put some more on top, brush out from the center to get it adhered really well. Like I said, if you blink, you'll miss this. But I know you know what I'm doing because I have done this so many times, and so has other people. All right. Now what I want to do is go back with this saran wrap and really burnish this. I want to not have a lot of wrinkles. If I have some, that's okay too. It's not going to bother me at all. It'll just lend to the vintage feel. But I thought, oh, would that not be really cute to put on a little charcuterie board, okay? All right. All right, now what I'm gonna do is go in there, dry this with a hair dryer. I also forgot to tell you, I made some cuts right in here so that this would lay down a little better. Now I'm gonna go dry it. Okay, this is what we have. I think it is adorable. Now what I want to do is just get a sanding block from the Dollar Tree. I really didn't intend for this to be all like Dollar Tree, but it's turning out like that. I'm gonna cut a lot of this away. It'll make it a lot easier. And a lot of it right here. Now I got mine on the side. Remember when I got my Mod Podge on the edge? So that's why it's trying to stick coming down through here. But if you're more careful, that won't happen to you. And you can see it's still coming off. Okay, this is what we have. I love it. Now right in here, I would recommend that you come cut in through here or give it a scoop. I didn't do that. So what I'm gonna do is take this, once again, from the Dollar Tree. Let's see. And I gotta get this started. And I am just going to come over here. Okay, now I would put glue under this because I don't think it's sticky enough. Like I said, it was from the Dollar Tree. But then I'm gonna wrap it. And I may just have to get some glue. Okay, here it is. I love it. It looks so high-end. Would never know that this was less than $3, this little board. Now, right here, I need to get my little sanding block and get it a little bit better, but I don't want to bother my sinuses. Is this not adorable? I love it. Look how nicely that fits right in there. It is so high-end looking, so beautiful. I love that, and it goes quite nicely with that picture. Okay, don't blink on this one too. I've had this in my stash for a long time, $3 at the Target dollar spot, okay? And I'm just gonna open this up, and it has these two areas that you can put a picture in. Hopefully I can get this off. It has been on here for a long time. Oh, yes, I think I will. It's just acrylic. So once again, I went back on the graphics fairy. I love this. This is so pretty. I'm going to put this right here, and you could tape it down if you wanted. I think it's going to stay. All right. And then on this one, I went back in with that same picture because I really do love it. I think it is gorgeous. And you could make your pictures the same size. This holds a 5x7, so that's what I tried to do, but you can see mine's a little larger here in places. Then I'm just going to get this. I may tape this down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, like I said, this side is a little larger, so I'm gonna just cut this. All right, I cut the top off. If the sides bother you, you definitely could cut this up and cut a little bit off of this, and it would be easy. All right, so let's go down through here. You really should use a paper cutter if you want it really straight. I'm hoping mine will be relatively straight. Now they match. It won't bother me now. All right. Then you're going to put this inside that. Then just slide this down in here. And then you have these two beautiful pictures. I love them. And you could fix your top and bottom equal distance. I just didn't, but I think this is a beautiful, easy fall DIY. You can see it setting here with my other fall decor. I think it's so pretty, and it's reversible. You're tired of that side, then all you have to do is twist it around and you have that side. Okay, for my last fall DIY, we've made 3. I have another one of these little boxes I picked up years ago. It may have been in old time pottery. I don't really know where it came from. And I have a couple choices that I can do. I can either stencil these pumpkins on here, which I really think would be lovely, or I could just do a couple leaves. But I think what I'm going to do, or I could have done this acorn, but it's a little big. Okay, so I think I'm just going to do the pumpkin. So I'm just going to put this where I think the center is and use some painter's tape to keep it down. I think that looks roughly like that could be the center. We'll see. Okay, trying to get this tighter. Okay, and I'll just have to hold it down. Okay, I think that's in the center. We'll see. Okay, now what I thought I would do is just put a combination of colors out. I think I'll just get this orange. You could do it white. If you just wanted a white pumpkin, which white might be really pretty to do that all in white. I think I'm gonna use my toasted marshmallow. I think that would look really pretty on here. I'm just gonna pour out a little bit of this. Way too much. And I'm just going to try to hold this down really tight. All right. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. Look at that. I love how it looks aged, but just perfect, I think. Okay. Let me clean this and then we'll decorate the box. Well, here's the little box. I think it turned out adorable. It is just so sweet, so high-end looking. I love it. So if you enjoyed this video on 3 really easy, quick, and cheap fall DIYs, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.